At Uponor, we've always been about leading with water. Being acquired by George Fisher has been transformational for our organization. We've been able to really bring forward new technologies that we wouldn't have been able to do as one company. As Uponor, we were really known for our PEX polymer piping systems, and as an industry leader there, we've really been able to innovate and develop it. But PEX has its limitations. With the acquisition of George Fisher and Uponor, we've been able to leverage the ChlorFIT product that George Fisher piping systems had, bring that into our offering to really bring a comprehensive commercial water solution to the market, all the way from 1/2 inch to 8 inch. ChlorFIT is a Schedule 80 CPVC offering that consists of pipe, fittings, and valves. We recognize that there's more advantages to use PEX from 1/2 inch to 2 to 3 inch, but we need to have that comprehensive offering that enables customers to use ChlorFIT across that whole scale. Customers aren't going to have to worry about pitting, scaling, corrosion that they likely would have to deal with if they had a metal system at some of these larger diameters, and continue to bring that value proposition across a whole system instead of just being a part of one system. Bringing PEX and CPVC together from one company is new to the industry. And really what that means for our customers is they're able to get a one-stop shop for their whole system instead of just parts and pieces of their system. In addition to that, the link between the PEX and the Schedule 80 CPVC has never been done before. With the technical expertise that Uponor has had historically, combining that with GF is really going to continue to leverage a larger strategic advantage in the marketplace. When GF bought Uponor, it was important for us to be able to integrate our teams together. As we look forward, there's going to be continued opportunities for us to increase our engagement, increase our collaboration, combine our portfolios, and really bring more value to our customers. And that's what gets us excited about the future.